Hi everyone, you're about to see the highlights of our webinar session on ML monitoring for best practices and lessons learned with SUPERWISE and monday.com. So for those of you who are not familiar with monday.com and their products, I will just say that Monday has developed an amazing productivity and collaboration tool that makes teams super efficient for whatever processes, department, or industries. More than 100,000 teams across the globe are already using the product, and the trends just keep on increasing. So with such a great product at hand, Monday offers a 14 days free trial for their users who want to experience the product before becoming subscribed users. And to effectively manage their marketing activities, Monday is using machine learning to enrich their users' behavioral analysis and to predict their intentions so that they ensure their ability to effectively target the right audiences at the right time and to optimize their customers' lifetime value. In this session, we have interviewed Dimitri, the head of data science, and Naomi, marketing analyst at monday.com, to see how using SUPERWISE for AI assurance has helped them with their day-to-day processes.
Since we want to move fast, this model is critical to our decision-making process and to the entire activity of the marketing team. And we really rely on its predictions, and therefore we need to trust them. What happens when we have a sudden change in the prediction? So first, we want to understand from which segment is it coming from. Is it a certain segment or the entire population? And then we want to understand what's causing this change. So before we started to use SUPERWISE, we were dependent on a data team to do this. We would usually sit together, sometimes for a few days, to investigate any kind of change and basically understand what's causing this incident. This was a bottleneck for us, and it really prevented us from moving as fast as we want and need to. We wanted to open the black box, and more than that, we wanted to fix the bottleneck that we were facing and reduce the time we spend on understanding each change and each incident. So soon after starting to use SUPERWISE, we really gained visibility to the model and its components, but more than that, also to the weights of the different components. This allowed us to have a better understanding of what impacts the model. So if we had a case of a sudden change, we were able to understand what's causing it. For every change, we can just easily see if it's something that's happening with one segment of the users or is it across all segments. As a result of that, we gained much more independence. So if before we were dependent on the data team to sometimes notice the changes, but also to understand them and react, now we can do it much more independently within the marketing team. And with less time, we now use SUPERWISE on a daily basis, and our model is much more transparent to us. This is allowing us to make much better decisions with our campaigns. This is now enabling us to move even faster than before.
As we switched from a hard-coded logistic regression to a variety of data robot models, we actually have lost visibility over the health of our models. It would take us at least 3 weeks to detect that predictions had degraded, plus another 1 or 2 weeks to troubleshoot the model and to fix the issue. 1 month plus of uncertainty regarding the health status of a key machine learning model is by any count a very serious hindrance for a data-driven business like monday.com. We also were at a point in time where we needed to scale up our use of machine learning, and we added new use cases. Estimation and maintenance of a new family of 5 models instead of one that we maintained traditionally may easily become a nightmare for a data science team at the organization without an appropriate set of MLOps tools. With SUPERWISE, our investigation of alert over a set of predefined marketing segments takes just a few clicks. Before SUPERWISE, it was almost impossible to catch the spikes at the level of a specific model's feature at the right time and actually pinpoint the incident source. Overall, our time to detect and time to fix went from weeks or days to a couple of hours. SUPERWISE offers a practical approach with granularity. SUPERWISE presents system indicators, a lot of them, at the segment level, which is essential. The SUPERWISE solution gave us an efficiency boost. We spent less time in meetings to explain predictions, troubleshooting tasks, digging into production incidents, and trying to open the black box of a sophisticated machine learning model that we got from the data robot. And now we receive alerts before it's too late, and this makes us really proactive.